how to program Chamberlain garage door opener. Press the center button. Arrow flashing up. You're going to adjust your door. You're going to hold it down until you get to the desired height. Comes the traveler. Get to the height you want. Hit the center button. Arrow flashes down. You're going to hold it until you bring the door down to the down position. Okay, at the down position. If you go too much, you can just press the arrow back up. Get it where we want. Now once we get it where we want, we're going to hit the center button. Now the light's going to flash up. You're going to press it once. Now we're adjusting the forces. The door will automatically stop up at the top. Now we set the forces for the down, arrow flashing. Motor is set.